Hey everybody, Becca Robinson here, and I just wanted to go over our November calendar really quickly just so that everybody is all on the same page. So, welcome to November. We are poised to have an incredible month, you guys. I'm so pumped. This is my favorite time of year. This is my most exciting time for business building because I know that all of the work that I put in now for my business is going to ripple all the way through the new year in spring. So this is a pivotal time if you're a business building coach for you to have your foot on the gas and for you to be completely dialed in, helping your new coaches, helping your challengers, getting everybody ready for New Year. Okay, so let's dive into November. As you all know, Halloween and November 1st are the Core de Force launch days. By November 1st, everything will be up, all the various options, but the challenge packs launch on Halloween, and then the deluxe and the regular kits launch on the 1st. So hopefully that helps you to close out October really, really strong and also start November really strong. I put a goal in here for you to hit Success Club 2 on day 1 because you have a launch. So you should have tons of people that you're talking to about it, and hopefully you can lock in someone that very first day, get them plugged in with your November challenge group right away and get them started strong. So my Fight for Joy challenge starts on Tuesday the 1st. A lot of you guys are in there. Hopefully you're all registered for Team Spirit, and if so, you're welcome to come in the Fight for Joy challenge and add your challengers in as well. We're doing a photo contest just to make things fun, and the whole point of it is to find our joy and happiness in our fitness program and fitness journey. The first week of November, our regularly scheduled Thursday team call is canceled because there is a special edition Dynasty Surge that you guys do not want to miss. I got to see the slides for this. It is just going to be Lindsay Matway and Bonnie Engel, and they're going to be presenting on some end of the year tips, information that hasn't previously been shared in Dynasty Surge. It's incredible, you guys. So good. So please carve out the time to be on that live and make sure that you mark in your calendars that we're going to be doing that on Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we're not doing our regular Thursday night call. Instead, on Thursday is going to be our Diamond and Above Zoom, and we have guest speaker Laura Mendenhall, who's going to be coming and speaking about leading through personality challenges. So as you grow and as you're rising up as a leader and you're helping to mentor, there are just most assuredly times when your personality is going to kind of clash with someone else's, but good leaders figure out how to get past that and how to move through it. And Laura's going to be sharing from her own experience dealing with some of those things. So hopefully those of you guys that are diamonds or above will really benefit from that. To participate in that Zoom, you have to be a paid diamond rank or above as of Thursday the 3rd. So it's not open to all lifetime diamonds. You have to actually be a diamond that day to participate. All right, the next week, that Monday the 7th is when our Core de Force test group is going to start. I'm finalizing everything today, and everybody who's accepted will be added by the end of today. So hopefully all of you guys are excited. If you have spouses that want to join, feel free to let me know so that we can get all the guys in there in one place together so that they can also encourage each other. And we're going to run through the program straight. So we're going to be running through the holiday and a little bit into December. We're going to be fully 110% committed. So I'm really, really excited about that. That Thursday, I'm going to be your guest speaker for the team call. I'm really excited about it, but I'm going to save the topic to share with you that week. The following week, I encourage you guys to hit Success Club by mid-month. That way you don't have to worry about it over the holiday week, which I know is just going to be crazy with travel and hosting and all of that kind of stuff for everybody. So aim to hit Success Club by the 16th. And if you do, just like last month, you'll be invited to a special Success Club Earners Zoom that's going to happen on Monday the 21st at 8 p.m. in the evening. That Thursday, the third Thursday, we're going to have our very own Lynette hosting our team call. I'm so excited, so mark your calendar for that. And then the next day, Friday, is going to be my What is Coaching sneak peek. It's going to happen via Facebook. I'm going to go live. If you're a new coach in your first 3 months and you're one of my personally sponsored coaches, you're invited to participate and co-lead it with me. Otherwise, break off and lead your own. Talk with your sponsor coach if you're new, and I'm sure that they'll get you plugged into theirs. Okay, for everybody who is diamond and above, who is pushing for big year-end goals, November 23rd is the last day for you to lock in qualifications for 2-star, 5-star, or higher for the quarterly bonus, the last quarterly bonus, and for elite. So if you are pushing for elite or premier, you need to have everything locked in on the 23rd so that you wake up on Thanksgiving Day as the rank that you're aiming for, in qualification for the rank that you're aiming for. That is the last possible time for you to start that qualification, for you to be able to finish it by the end of the year. So if you are pushing for big year-end goals, then you need to circle that date on your calendar and make sure that you have everything locked in. On the 27th, I'm going to be hosting a new coach welcome webinar via YouTube Live, and anyone is welcome to give that link out to their coaches. I'll post it closer to the date. December 28th is when my December challenge will open for prep. So if you are a new coach of mine and you want to bring your challengers in and be an apprentice, you're more than welcome. Then we have a 30-day month, so make sure that on Wednesday the 30th, you are locked in for Success Club. All of the November Challenge Pack promotions can be found under frequently asked question 1080, and all of the Quarter Force launch info can be found at FAQ 5215. All right, guys, let's make an incredible month.